Right, lads, we are now about to be introduced to the wonderful world of rocks. So this is a bit of chalk. Don't know if you can, oh, look at that magnifying glass go in. Look at it. And if I touch it, it comes off. Now, this powder that's come off from my hand is actually the fragments of billions of tiny dead marine organisms. So on my finger there is tiny dead things. How lovely. So that's chalk. Okay, let's go for number two. Number two, quartz. This is quartz. You get loads of different types of quartz. Rose quartz is quite pretty. And this is used in electronics. So this rock quartz here, used in electronics. It's got quite, you get lots of different colours on it. So you can get pink, you can get purple, you can get white quartz. Much more useful than it looks. Number three is basalt. Basalt. So this one's kind of crystally. It's also found on the moon. It's a fun fact for you lads. Number four. This is called schist. Now this is made from clay and mud. Okay, you can see it's got layers there. Which are lovely, lovely layers. Lovely layers. But it's actually metamorphic rock. So it's made from sedimentary rock. Right then, number five. It's a pretty one. This is granite. Now, if you can get your kitchen worktops made of this, you are balling. It's one of the oldest rocks that have ever existed, and you can see it's made of loads of tiny crystals. And that's because it is igneous. It's got large crystals, so it's been cooled slowly. All right, that's granite. For the ballers out there. This one is called gneiss. Similar to granite, but it's actually stronger. It's used to make buildings and gravestones. Bit morbid, but there we go. This one's for all the, pretty sure my granddad wrote on this when he was at school. This is slate. So this is another metamorphic rock, but it's still quite flaky. You can see the layers there. Okay, and it does flake off. Slate was originally used in Victorian times as paper, essentially, or imagine it like a mini whiteboard. Okay, and children used to write on this with chalk. I'll show you. Used to write on this with chalk to practice their maths. Okay, so it's a combination of rocks. What a world we live in. Okay, this is marble. Another one for all of those ballers out there. You know, when you're elite, you've got your floors made of marble. Okay, this is actually hypoallergenic. So nobody is allergic to marble. That's a fun fact for you. Then we're coming towards the end of the list, lads. I'm sorry. This is sandstone. Now there's two different types of sandstone. You get red sandstone, which is formed under the sea, and this would be an orange sandstone. So this has been formed in a desert. So this sandstone came from a desert. Then to wrap it up, number 10 is limestone. Now my granddad loves limestone. It's 50% calcium carbonate. So if you grind it up, you can add it to chicken feed, and it helps chickens lay really, really hard eggs that are more likely to survive. So that's the rocking world of rocks.